Jaden, are you ready to make some ice cream?
Jaden's Playland.
Wow. Let's see what's in here. What is this? It's a blue bowl. Can you say blue bowl? Can you say a red scoop? Yellow ice cream cone. This is also a color blue with light blue ice cream cone. And a pink spoon. Got sprinkles. Yep, sprinkles. And we have some cups for our cherries on top. Look, Jaden, we have some magic sand. Blue. Hold on. Oh, wow. Hold on, we're going to play with it. Yeah. Hold on, not yet, not yet. Let's get all the colors out first. Let's do pink first. Get it in. We got blue ice cream. Oh, wow. No, use your scoop. Use your scoop. Use your scoop. See, you got a scoop, Jaden. Alright, let's put it back in and scoop it out. Whoa! Cool. Now you scoop it in. See? There you go. Use your scoop. What flavor ice cream are you gonna make, Jaden? The pink is like strawberry ice cream and the blue is like blueberry. Alright, get in the scoop. There you go. So let's pick this up. Alright. Alright, let's do one scoop of blue. Hold on, hold on. Let's do it. Oh, what you gotta do is like a scoop. Cool. You want to put a cherry on top? What about banana split? I think I want to mix them the two. Hold on. Hold on. Mom's gonna make her ice cream. You want some ice cream too, Jaden?
Hey Jaden, you want strawberry ice cream?
Alright, you want a cherry on top? Let's put a cherry on top. There you go, Jaden. Jaden, look, you got a cherry on top ice cream. Oh no, the cherry fell. Let's put some sprinkles in here too. Sprinkles. Wow, look how pretty. You see your hands? Whoa! Look, Jaden. Look, ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. Let's see. Wait, let's try to keep this inside the container, okay? Whoa! Whoa! Woo!
Whoa.
Yeah, look at all that ice cream. You gonna eat a bite? Num 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 num. Psych. You don't eat sand. Cool. Look at the wrinkle. What colors do you see, Jaden? What colors? Yeah, good job. Put it inside. Put your hand inside. We made so many tasty treats today. And had so much fun. Let's put in one last scoop on top. Yummy! Ice cream! Yay! Jaden likes his ice cream. Good job, baby.
Jaden's Playland.